Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. Before performing a factory reset operation on your TV, make sure to remove all the external devices, disconnect all the external devices from your TV like gaming consoles or USB flash drives, and make sure that you are aware that this operation will erase all data from your TV, including your accounts, settings, and applications. After that, press the gear button on your remote control, then open all settings menu and scroll down to System. In System, select About, then scroll down to Reset. In Reset, select Factory Reset and then Confirm. Then select Erase Everything and wait until the factory reset operation is performed. So right now your TV will restart, and once you see this start of the setup screen on your TV, this means that the factory reset operation is finished. And at this point, the factory reset operation is finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.